So for today's video, let's review this Dubai Chewy cookie that I've got from Syrian Sweets. So, gi-order na ko ni guys sa TikTok. Nahulot na ako gahapon ang isa. So, let me show you the other one. So, this is 2 for 280 something. Like, super lami siya guys. Let me show you ha. See that? Yan siya kadako, guys. Yan siya kadako. So, when you do it like this and do it like that, this is made of marshmallow, not mochi. So, let's try this. Let me show guys. It's not that sweet. Di ba kaya na sila pag marshmallow daw? Ang gamitan sa Dubai Chewy cookies, tamis daw kayo. Pero di siya tamis guys. Like, tama-tama lang. Lamig ka siya. Hear that? Then, ang ihapong cocoa powder is dili siya pait. So, for me, it's 9/10.